Do you want to instantly switch between user accounts in WordPress? When testing new features on your website, you may need to switch between accounts with different user roles. Logging in and out of these accounts manually takes time and can quickly get frustrating. In this video, we will show you how to instantly switch between user accounts in WordPress. So let's start the video. Fast, go to your WordPress dashboard. Now go to Plugins. Click on the Add New button. Search here Swiss Toolkit for WP. Now you are thinking, why am I installing the Swiss Toolkit to user switching? I am using the Swiss Toolkit plugin because this is a multifunctional plugin. For example, it has various options including Spotlight Search, Maximum Upload Size Increase, Favicon Upload, SVG Image Support, Upload Custom Avatar, Username Change, Post or Page Duplicate, WP Admin Login URL Change, Headers and Footers Inserter, Passwordless Temporary Login, and User Switching. With the Swiss Toolkit plugin, you can access additional features and switch WordPress users without the need for coding. We don't need to use a separate plugin for these features. If you want to know more details about the plugin, we have a separate video for it. Link in the description. Check it out. Then install and activate the plugin. Check the company name Boom Devs to confirm the plugin. After activating, install Pro add-ins. The plugin has a free version, but the free version doesn't have that many features. You don't need to stress after listening to that. It's a Pro version. Just watch the full video for a surprise. Enter your activation key here and activate Pro mode. Now we will see how we can customize the plugin. To do this, we need to go to WP Swiss Toolkit from WordPress. Click on Features. Find the user switching option and turn it on. Then save by pressing the button. Now go to Users. Click on All Users. See all WordPress users here. Hover over the desired user to switch. Here, you'll notice a new option called Switch To. Click here. See your user change instantly. User switching is only available to users with the admin role, so you won't see the switched option when logged in as another user. When you are ready to switch back to the admin account on your WordPress, simply hover over the username in the toolbar. In the drop-down that appears, click on Switch Back to Admin. In this way, you can easily instantly switch between user accounts in WordPress. There are huge discounts for those of you who want to buy the plugin after watching the video. Check the description and collect up to 30% discount coupons. If you want to know more details about the plugin, we have a separate video for it, link in the description. Check it out. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any queries regarding this issue, feel free to ask them in the comment box. And if you like the video, give a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.